Top 5 Most Popular Ultralight Aircraft. Welcome to today's episode, where we look into some of the most amazing ultralight aircraft, compact, agile, and designed for recreational flying. These lightweight machines provide a sense of independence, offering a cost-effective, eco-friendlier alternative to traditional planes with simpler controls and easier maintenance. We're counting down our list of the top 5 most popular ultralight aircraft. Each model in this lineup showcases unique features in aerodynamics, safety, and performance. So keep an eye on each key specification and current market price. Whether you're a potential buyer or simply curious about the latest in ultralight aviation, this episode offers a quick look at the industry's top models redefining personal flight. This is Aviation Federation, sharing with you exciting information about the latest and greatest in aviation and beyond. Ranked among the top 5 ultralight aircraft, the Quicksilver MX 103 features a streamlined, purpose-built design with an open cockpit for optimal visibility and minimal weight. Its high-lift, partially double-surfaced wings are supported by a triangulated king post assembly, and additional ribs supplement airfoil stability and strength. A tubular braced tail and tapered stabilizer provide durability and responsive handling, while a flexible driveshaft coupler reduces vibration, resulting in smoother, more controlled flight. Powered by a reliable Hirth F23 50-horsepower engine, the Quicksilver MX 103 achieves a maximum speed of 47 knots or 54 miles per hour. Its ultra-short takeoff and landing capabilities are upgraded by an innovative spoiler-on system, allowing pilots to reduce wing lift for landing on shorter runways. With a length of 18 feet 1 inch or 5.51 meters, a wingspan of 28 feet or 8.53 meters, a fuel capacity of 5 gallons or 19 liters, and a useful load up to 275 pounds or 125 kilograms. This model combines crosswind capability with multifaceted short-field performance, all available at a base price of $18,900 US. As the fourth-place contender among ultralight aircraft, the Northwing Maverick 2 Legend stands out with its advanced model and sleek performance. A low-profile single-place trike, it combines both form and function, offering a choice of streamlined fairings in the Maverick 2 Legend model or an open-frame design in the Maverick 2 RD. The trike's innovative feature include high ground clearance for off-field landings and a comfortable seating arrangement. The Maverick 2 Legend's frame has been engineered for optimal performance, presenting a spring-assisted mast that reduces the effort needed to lift the wing. Powered by the Kawasaki 440 two-stroke, 40-horsepower engine, this ultralight reaches a maximum speed of 52 knots or 60 miles per hour, and a gross weight of 600 pounds or 272 kilograms. With a wingspan of 31.5 feet or 9.60 meters, and a wing area of 157 square feet or 14.59 square meters, the Northwing Maverick 2 Legend offers impressive mobility and efficiency. This model is currently available at a starting price of $24,300 US. In third place, the Kolb Firefly 103 incorporates practicality and performance in a sleek, compact design. This easy-to-build aircraft boasts exceptional build quality, featuring a welded chrome moly steel fuselage cage and quick folding wings for convenience and storage. Its pusher configuration guarantees 360-degree visibility from the cabin, while reducing noise and exhaust fumes from the rear engine. The enclosable cockpit adds comfort with an optional full canopy for added protection. The Kolb Firefly 103 is powered by a Rotax 447 40-horsepower engine, reaching a maximum speed of 55 knots or 63 miles per hour, while maintaining a gross weight of 500 pounds or 226.80 kilograms and a fuel capacity of 5 gallons or 19 liters. This model excels in performance with responsive controls, gentle stall characteristics, and smooth handling. The aircraft's ability to fold its wings and stabilizers without disconnecting the lift struts makes it an ideal choice for those seeking quick setup times. The Kolb Firefly 103 is available with a reported average price of $30,000 US. For our top 2 ultralight aircraft, the Aerolite 103 is a high-wing pusher that integrates thoughtful design with convenience. Constructed with durable aluminum tubes and Dacron sailcloth, this aircraft is built for simplicity and ease of repair. Its high-wing configuration provides outstanding visibility, making it ideal for scenic flights and crosswind landings. The tricycle gear with brakes enhances stability, simplifying ground handling and extending the airframe's longevity. The Aerolite 103 is powered by the Rotax 447, a 50-horsepower engine, and delivers impressive performance, including a maximum cruise speed of 55 knots, or up to 63 miles per hour, and a range of up to 100 miles or 161 kilometers. With a wingspan of 26 feet, 10.25 inches, or 8.19 meters, and a wing area of 121 square feet, or 11.24 square meters. This ultralight has a takeoff distance of just 200 feet or 61 meters. Weighing in at only 235 pounds or 107 kilograms, it offers an exceptional balance of performance and efficiency, while its 5-gallon fuel capacity ensures ample flight time. Engineered for reliability, the Aerolite 103 provides a fantastic flying experience at approximately $36,500 US. Before we look at the #1 spot, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and show your support with a thumbs up and a short comment if you enjoyed this video. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Hummel Ultra Cruiser 103 that stands out with its sleek, all-metal construction, offering both practicality and performance. Its detachable wings provide convenient storage and easy transportation, while the low center of gravity and 6.5-foot track improve ground handling and stability. The aircraft's cockpit establishes a relaxing experience for extended flights, with user-friendly controls that not only amplify its visual appeal, but also contribute to its flight capabilities. by a 4-stroke 1/2 VW 37 horsepower engine, the Hummel Ultracruiser 103 achieves a maximum cruise speed of 55 knots or up to 63 miles per hour, and boasts a fuel capacity of 8 gallons or 30 liters, providing a satisfactory range for extended flights. With a wingspan of 22.5 feet or 7.62 meters and a wing area of 101 square feet or 10.4 square meters, this ultralight has an empty weight of 270 pounds or 123 kilograms and a gross weight of 575 pounds or 227 kilograms. The Hummel Ultracruiser 103 delivers a smooth flying experience with an asking price of $38,400 US. These top 5 ultralight aircraft offer the perfect blend of performance, design, and efficiency, making them ideal for those seeking an affordable and thrilling flying experience. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a beginner, these models cater to a range of needs and preferences. Which one suits your flying style? Do you consider these price points affordable for their performance and specifications? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe for more updates. And don't forget to share this video with your aircraft community. Until next time, fly safe!